Yeah, so here I have shared my screen. So in the last class, we have already discussed about the search strategy and data extraction, right? So in the data extraction, like in the data screening, so you are looking into the articles, right? And then before that, you need to develop the search strategy and then go and check for the mesh term and all. So in the same PubMed, this is the website we are using it, right? So just press type AI over there. Recently, the PubMed has released this version. Okay. So here what will happen, let me show it to you. If you type your, like here I have put this one. So here if we are typing our uh, title, so what will happen? It will do the search in the PubMed based on the search strategy, which is like mesh term and everything. It will search over there. Okay. And then what it will do, it will extract the exact result which is associated with it. Like for example, the prevalence, normal weight, obesity. So here, basically, the prevalence and normal weight and obesity, these are the three words it take into the consideration. So it will decide from the title itself only. That's the beauty. So if we are going to provide a very specific title, so maximum chances that we will be getting a very refined article. Let me show to you, like I'm talking to you in within a 1 minute, it is done. If you see, it has given a small write up. This is the small write-up, okay? And including the all the citation. And from where? From these different articles, right? Once you click over there, you will be getting the normal. If you see, prevalence and characteristics of sarcopenic obesity and normal weight obesity in Chinese women. Very related study. Normal weight obesity in adolescent. Very relevant study. Normal weight obesity in high altitude youth, gender disparities and prospective effective narrative adaptation. Very diet and physical activity intervention in normal weight obesity. Perfect. Check for 5. Adolescent with normal weight obesity. Perfect. Check 6. Overweight, obesity, and cardiovascular disease in heterogeneous familial hypercholesterolemia and EAS effect studies collaboration registry. So here it is not been confirmed. So why it is selecting this article? So I have to go and check. You can click here and then go and check. Hmm. So here is the article. If I do the control F, normal weight W, it is not there, that keyword. So we need to read this one, right? Once we read it, so we may get maybe the definition will be fulfilling the criteria or not. That's what. Okay. So how easy it is, right? And not only that, so this is not so important. Only you will be getting for a reference what it is. Okay. Now, the important thing is over here. See, if you see, like in PubMed, when we hit entry, most of the article are not appropriate. When I say appropriate, that means not associate with our study where we have inclusion and the exclusion criteria. Just see, just read the random one. Let's see number 7. Association between normal weight obesity, right? Related to it. Prevalence and predictor of normal weight obesity among women. Related to it. Higher consumption of ultra processed food and the pro inflammatory diet are associated with normal weight obesity. Brazilian children associated with it. Normal weight obesity is associated with hypercholesterolemia and low muscle mass associated with it because the key term normal weight obesity is already there. Anthropometric body consumption and so young women and normal weight obesity syndrome and sarcopenia diagnostic criteria associate with it. See how many article it has given to us, whatever. So what we can do, we can easily, again if you want to do the export and all. Here link is there. We need to click over here. The CSV file will get download very easily. So it's done. Once we see this, so most probably most relevant articles are with us. So how many it is? Let's see. 71. Hmm? 71 article that is most probably related to our topic is with me. I can do little filter, right? See, from here also I can go and do the screening, right? As most of the article, this is like a hand search that we are doing it, right? So in all of thing in one click it has been given to us. Now you will be saying that, so how authentic it is. Go and check randomly. So let's say this 70. So here you can see PMID is there. So PMID is only provided to the PubMed index journal, that's it. So all the PMIDs are there. Let's see and check one 62 randomly I'm checking, right? So once I click over here, see, you will get the full original article also. Me Yong Kim, right? Me Yong Kim. Yeah, Me Yong Kim. DOI and PMID, all everything is there. Not only that, you will be having the abstract also, right? And then the next step is very easy. So we have all the article. You can either we can import all these article into the Jotero. We will be having the full articles. And then from there also we can go for the data extraction, right? Yeah, over to you. Useful tool? Yes, useful. Right, exactly. So, and then you can say, okay, from what about the original? Because we need to report it in the systematic review in the Prisma table. What is the total? So you can click over here, and once you click, you will be getting the original. So in the original, 1991 search, it did the filter and it gave the result based on our title, right? See, 1991 out of the 1991, it gave us approximately 70 article, and all are from here only, right? So that is the beauty of it. So if that is the thing, how you would be getting the search strategy and all, you can come over here, navigate it, and go and check this one, this one. So you can use this. This is the effective search strategy. You can copy this down. You can copy this down also. Okay. And paste it. This is your final search strategy. Okay. So this is the other steps. Okay. But I would suggest you till go with the manual, the way that you are doing, because once you do with that, then only you will be having proper understanding of it. Right. So this is how. So by using this, again for 3 to 4, because developing the search strategy and then going for the screening and all, it takes time. Now you have another tools which is going to helpful for you and to complete the task in not in 1 minute, right? That's how. And not even that, let's say, let's put it India, right? See, exploring the silent epidemic investigation, normal way to obesity, diabetes mellitus in India. Now you will get all the study from India only. See, see, right? See, right? Very effective. Very few are there. I think it's six, it is showing, right? Whatever. So this is how you will be. So once you have a very good title, and that you can generate a very good title over there, and then you can put it in the PubMed AI, which is going to help you in scrutinize all the article, and your work will be done. So now is it possible to do the systematic review within 30 days? Waiting for your comment. Yeah, right. And we know now one more thing. So if you say sir, like I am doing it, but I don't know, because I do not have a time, I am busy in clinics, I am busy in handling the patients and all, I do not have a time, but really I want to do a systematic review. That's too okay. And you are not getting, you do not know, like whether the topic is suitable, whether doing a systematic review is effective or not, right? Whether it is a new term, whether it is a new topic or not. That's how. So what you can do, you can come down to another software that is called Consensus, Consensus. Okay, you can come to this software, even though a lot of other use are also there, but I would recommend to you only go for title search and all, because the don't you go for the writing part, because the writing part you will be caught off. And because once we go for the publication, then they will be do the scan and all. Either there will be a plagiarism, or else there will be a AI detection. So that's the negativity for our own personal and reputation. So it's better we get a idea, we get a draft, and then either you can once you have a draft, you can do one thing, you can rephrase it manually, don't use any software, and make sure that for each sentence, if it is 10 word, at least 6 to 7 word you should create of your own in the particular sentence. That is the effective way. It may take time, but at the end the plagiarism and AI detection would be zero. So you can say that I'm interested in, like for example, I'm interested in diabetes. Okay, so simple say that suggest one topic on diabetes based on recent literatures from based on literature of last 1 year. This is what we are talking. Simple prompt we have written over here. Let's see what it is saying. It is saying that This one, diabetes mellitus progress, emerging trend, prevalence, these all are the studies it has found it. Okay. And what we can suggest here, emerging therapeutic targets and novel treatment in diabetes, a current research focus. This is what it is suggesting. Okay. So here, what I can do, emerging therapeutic targets and novel treatment in diabetes. I can say that suggest one topic on systematic review and meta-analysis on diabetes mellitus and must be u- unique and provide and have novelty in the review, or suggest at least two topic. See, it is giving us this one, the role of mitochondrial dysfunction and calcium signaling in diabetes mellitus, pathogenesis and complication. It is suggesting it could be a new one, novelty one. Why? Because it is saying that in this article, okay, and this one, which is among the animal study, it has been done, the RCTs and all, and there they are saying that recent studies emphasize mitochondrial dysfunction as a central player in both type 1 and type 2 diabetes, particularly focusing on the role of mitochondrial calcium transport and the permeability transition ports in disease progression. So this is what it is giving us a recommendation. So it is saying that a systematic review and meta-analysis could synthesize evidence how these mitochondrial pathways contribute to diabetes onset, progression, and complication, and evaluate their potential as therapeutic targets. And this area remain underexplored in meta-analysis and could provide a novel insight for both basic science and clinical intervention strategies. Right? Similarly, it is suggesting, because we asked for the two topic, so here we have another one. Epigenetic modifications as mediators between environmental exposure and autoimmune destruction in type 1 diabetes mellitus. Right. So again, here is the rationale from where it has given, from this article. What is this article? Let's say this one. This is the original article. From here it has given us the this one, MDPI. It has been published over there, right? You can see the full article you will be getting. If you want, you can read it, the full article from here, right? So this is how. Yeah, over to you. So is it effective? Yes. Shravanji is there. Perfect. Great. Uh, Perfect. So today we have discussed about two AI tool, which is going to, because what happened is that most of the people, most of the participants, they asked me, sir, how do I select a topic? So this is what is the very easiest way to do, because selecting a topic itself, it require a minimum a normal review of literature, right? And that is again a different scale, and that's what most of the people, they say they could not be able to know what topic they should go for. And here you can say, okay, three topic, four topic, and then read it down, and then understand whether that topic is feasible. That means whether you will be able to do it or not, and then go ahead. That's how. So it's easy even for your topic. You can do a refine whether your topic is so, because ultimately there should be a novelty. If there should be a novelty, then you will be getting a chance to contribute on your own domain, right? And ultimately you will be getting reward by publishing it in the Q1 or Q2 journals. Now, is it possible to draft a document for Q1 or the Q2 journal? Is it possible? Right. Exactly. And that too, it won't take time. It won't take time. Don't give it to anyone. Do it of yourself. If you are going to provide at least of 1 hour to the field, you will be definitely be able to understand what topic is novelty and how to do it. So with this, till now we have covered how to do a selection of the article. We understand how to define our topic in term of PICO, right? We developed our protocols, and then we learned about how to go for the search strategy, and then we understand how we can use the Rayyan software to do the title screening, abstract screening, and the full text screening. But even though there is articles, I would say that you please put consider this article into a manual search. Let's say by using the software of PubMed.ai, you got 70 articles, right? And you do one thing, do the manual search the way that you are doing, because ultimately those steps are also required to at the time of publication, right? So what you can do it in the manual step, see how many articles you are getting, maybe let's say 40 articles. Then you check for the duplicate again. If it is matching, okay. If it doesn't matching, you can do one thing, you can say that you did for the manual search and you found this much extra article. That's what again you can say that. Or simply if you put, then also no problem, because it is the part of that search strategy only, right? I have already shown to you. Put this as a 70 screening done. Title screening not at all required. Abstract screening not at all required. Directly you download the article and go for the full text screening and data extraction within a fraction of second. Yes, full text screening also. Did I explain to you how you can go for the data extraction through AI? I forgot actually. So you can do one thing. Uh, Let us discuss once again. Okay. So we have a very clear understanding of like uh, what is data extraction, right? Shravanji, you want to say something, I guess? No. Okay. So what you can do for data extraction, you can some technical issue. Okay. So what you can do, you can use the chat GPT, right? So you can, let me show it to you so that it will be easy for you. So So in the chat GPT, once you log in into here, what you need to do, you need to click over here as an explore. Okay. And here you need to come to the integration part of it. Okay. So what you can do, you can select this one, edit chat and create organize. No. this one. Okay. So basically it is the PDF reader. So that means 5. Yeah, it works perfectly. But I always tell to you like don't rely 100%, and whenever you are doing it also do the cross check. That's what I suggest. So this is how. Okay. What we can do, let's say for example, let's say this one article, right? So so you can say that I want to do the data extraction from the PDF and get me the result of it based on the uh, template based on the template. Okay. Now what is the template? What we want? We want serial number. I'm just writing it in a rough way so that uh, you can understand it, right? Author name, whatever the information you want, that's what I'm trying to say. And normal, weight, obesity, method, aim, whatever you required, you just put, okay, like this. Also, if not there, then put the blank and don't create anything. Just report whatever is there in the PDF. This is for your information and necessary action for the PDF I will upload. Okay, so this is what. Okay, so start from here for the article I will be uploading. Okay, so what is, so here is this one, the trial one. I will be copied down and paste it. Depend on your speed of the net. So yeah, and then it will be done. So it is basically the PDF reader, and to the PDF reader, we are saying that you just extract us the information, right? What exactly we need in the specified format. And we are also telling to the PDF reader that you do not create it, rather you just extract it what exactly it is, right? So method, aim, objective, everything is there. Normal weight, we all know that that is not of normal weight obesity. It keep blank. Mary Sarna, right? Let's see and check. So yeah, So basically this one, right? Yeah, Mary Sarna, perfect. This is perfect. And then what else? DOI number. Let's see whether it is correct or not. 210 10036. कहाँ गया? Yeah, 210 10036. Perfect. That is also correct. Approximately 95% it is correct only. Right. Aim is also there. Right. Let's see. So it's like this. So we need to read it, right? If you're going to read it, we will be understanding. So this is how for one or two we need to do the cross check whether it is correct or wrong. Usually it give exact result. Okay. So this is how we can go for a data extraction in a fraction of the second. This is the one of the tool. You can go with it and you can say that if I do not use the ChatGPT, there are other tools. Yes, you can, but that is again the paid version is there. So once you pay for it, then only you will be able to extract the data. For 4 or 5 times, it is free of cost. Or else you can go with another tool that is called as Elicit. Spelling, yeah, ELICIT. This is the another tool where you can do the data extraction. So whatever the data extraction that you have, we have all the article, maybe 60 or 70 articles. So but here this is the paid one, and for the free, only the 4 column you will be able to do it. So like say for example, this one I have showed to my other participants. So this is what exactly, yeah. So you can see here we have a paper, we have a summary, we have this two thing, right? What exactly you want? You want a method. See, you want a method. Once you click method, click it, save. So all the 6 articles are there. From all those 6 articles, it will extract the method section in this column. So it will be very easy for you. And for the paid version, it is 1,000 rupees it is charging. I would say it's not like it's worth only if you want to do it, spend it, because this is the time, this is the work we are all are doing, and it took us a lot of time. May I know how much time do you devote to generate this type of table? You must have done this one, right? May I know how much time did you take it? See, it came, right? So yeah, exactly. So even though if you want to know uh, whether it is from the article or not, you can click it. You can understand from the article from which part of the article it is of. All right. And if you want more information, you can copy it down. If you want more information, you can delete this one, add one more. Right. That's how. So I think paying 1,000 and get it free. If you want totally free, then only the 2 columns would be there. The same strategy you can do. Go with the two columns and then copy and paste it. Definitely you need to uh, like do some little work in that. And I think it won't be, yeah. For download also, it is asking you to go for the upgrade version. You won't be able to upgrade it. Yeah, there is trick. What you can do, you can copy and paste. That is allowed if you want, free, right? But you can do like this. You can do, so it is copy, right? Control C and uh, new, open the Excel sheet, say trial. And here you can click on one. Yeah, everything has come. Do the formatting. See, this only the three things has come, not the articles, right? Only the three column has come. So you can create one more column and write down the name of the author of the article. That's done. And again, you can delete these two and go with the another one. This is how you can go, right? Okay. Yeah. So now I like to understand from you at what stage of your systematic review you are right now.
Sir,
Yes,
can you hear me?
Shravanji.
Sir, last couple of weeks I was occupied and I could not attend the classes. So, to be very honest, I'm still in the
Okay.
initial stages. So,
Your
I have,
voice is not coming clear. Can you please check?
yeah. Now is it clear, sir?
Yeah, it is clear now.
Yes, sir. So last 2 weeks I could not attend class and I could not do the assignments whatever you had told.
Okay.
So I'm still in the preliminary stages, sir. So maybe I will look into the videos, the recorded lectures, and get back to you, sir.
Okay, please. And right now I gave you two more tools, right? That will
Yes,
helpful for you in understanding whether your topic is like it is fine, whether it is novelty, whether you are going to insert a novelty or not. That is
right,
going to help you that the tool. And the
right, sir.
second tool I have also shared to you that will be helpful for you doing the search strategy, right? You will be
Right,
getting
sir.
the article in one shot, right?
Right,
And the fourth thing I want from you is that you please draft your protocol and
right, sir.
submit it in the Prospero as soon as possible, at least by the next week.
Right, sir.
Okay.
Right, sir.
So that you will be progressed, right?
Right, sir.
In that
Right,
way you can do it.
right, sir.
Yeah.
And all these lectures will be in the website, sir. Right? In the
Uh,
website.
Yeah, in the LMS you have been provided, right? So
Yes,
you
yes,
can
sir.
log into that. All the lectures are there
Right,
over
sir.
there, and even other lecture, the previous batch lecture are also there. If you
Right,
want to go further, you can go and check that also.
right, sir. And
Right.
regarding the login IDs for consensus and LEC tabs, sorry, is it the
Login ID is your email ID. Once you put your email ID, you will be getting the OTP. Once you
uh,
put the OTP, it will get open.
in consensus and
No,
yeah,
acha. So I'm
yeah,
talking about the LMS. Yeah, in consensus also it is same. Like I recommend everyone, all the participant to purchase the ChatGPT. It is because right now the government is also emphasizing. It's not I'm promoting it. Okay, it is
right, sir.
because the ChatGPT only cost you 300 rupees right now. Okay,
Okay, okay,
go with that. 300 rupees. Go with that. Have a premium because the premium is having a good facility, good technology is there, right? Use it. Your most of the work will be getting done. That's how,
right, sir.
right? Go with
Right,
that because the consensus and all you can go with the this version also direct to their site, but again the limited features are there, and this is what the consensus and the chat gpt they tie up, and it is the plugin in the
okay,
chat gpt, so it is the power of both chat gpt as well as consens, so you are
okay,
getting more good result,
right, sir.
right? If you're going to use the consensus, so you won't get as you will get the result but
Mm,
not as like both combined, right?
right,
So
sir.
that's how, so which is the again I would say the leverage to
Right, sir.
do the
So
work,
that
right?
means we have to take chat GPT and also take
No,
subscription of consensus also,
no,
sir.
no, no. Only you have to take the subscription of ChatGPT.
Uh,
Let me show it to you so that you will understand. So this is how, right? So this is the ChatGPT. Okay. So I have already, this is my paid one. So that's how it is coming like this. So once you have your subscription, when you click over here in explore in GPTs, okay,
Mm.
so they have a tie up with all those things, right?
Okay.
Right
Right.
for me,
Consensus.
but I don't suggest you to go with the right for me. You are the right person to draft your own, because there is a problem with the plagiarism as well as AI detection, right?
Right.
I do
Right.
not want at the end of the session you will end up with those kind of problems.
Right.
So please get whatever the tools I'm suggesting you, that will be helpful to get the insight, and then write it in your own word. That's what,
Okay.
okay? Even the Scholar GPT also, it will helpful to write it down. Here is the consents, right? So once you, this will activate only when you have a paid version. In free you won't get, right?
Mm-hmm.
So here my plus version is there. You can click and you can say the upgrade plan, and here, so go version, you can go with the go, okay? So in
Okay.
the go, it is just cost you $4. $4 means how much? Approximately 300 rupees, right?
Yes, sir.
300 or 400 rupees. So that is
Okay, sir.
not much, I think, for 1 month, that too,
Right, sir.
right? You will be
Right.
getting a lot of works from here, right?
Okay.
So everything is there. You will
Right.
be able to do the work.
Right, sir.
It's easy. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, over to you, Arya. So right, last time you said that you are in the protocol, right? So your protocol is done?
Yes, sir. Right now I'm doing a title screening.
Okay. So before that, you
Hello?
please, yeah, yeah, I have listened. Like you said that you are right now in the title screening.
Yeah.
So what about your protocol? So have you submitted?
Yeah, I uploaded it, sir, in this one, Prospero.
Prospero. Got it. Did you receive the
Sir,
registration number?
yes, already I got.
That's great. That's great.
Uh, Sir, is
So
there any minimum number of database that we have to mention in the SRMA
there is,
study? Like,
yes, there is no minimum database. Like when we say systematic review, to that we are saying that whatever it is appropriate, that database we are included. Okay. But
okay,
as
sir,
we all know that,
Google
yeah,
Scholar. What about Google Scholar?
you can include that. Google Scholar will be considered as a manual search.
Okay, but there no advanced search option is there, no,
No,
sir?
there is
Like,
no option. Very few, recently they have added with very few other option where you can have a filter and all. Just go
um,
and search, but like try for 50 to 100 clicks. So if you found anything which is relevant to it, maybe
hmm.
1 day or 2 days you can devote it. You will be getting few article, and few you have
And
already
what
get
about
it from the public.
yes, sir. What about Cochrane and Cochrane Center? We
Cochrane
can
and
use
Cochrane
that
Center, yeah, they are paid. Again, they are paid.
paid. Oh,
Yeah, they are paid.
okay, sir.
So in if you say like journal accept, if you say PubMed, okay, if you say
Mm,
PubMed, then you can say that you can have your this one Google Scholar, and then you say that the like hand search. That three thing
mm.
is also applicable. And however, you can do one thing. There are a lot of international libraries, free libraries are also there. Like I told you, na, like ICMR document is there, right? So in the ICMR document, they have mentioned. So in
Sir,
that also, your voice is breaking.
in Prisma flow diagram, sir, in Prisma articles from other sources also, no? Like,
Yes, yes. It should be from
so
other
what
sources also. Like if you
other
have a
source,
cook. Hmm.
other sources means what they mean, sir? Like,
Other source means like first like for example it depend on in this way. For example, you are doing a study based on diabetes, right? So
um,
based on the diabetes, what all are the different databases, right? So it would be a
Oh,
PubMed database, it would be a Scopus database, it would be a Web of Science database, it would be a Science Index database or SciInfo, right? These are the four database which is related to the topmost and related to the science. So, so it is asking you saying that you need to mention this all also. However, being a researcher, we do have a limitations, right? So what you
okay.
can do, because why this work? Because the PubMed is the world largest database. It is the and 90% of the articles which is there in the other, if you see the journal na, so it is either the Scopus index PubMed, and along with that it is indexed with Web of Science. Okay, so very
Yeah.
few journals are there which is not the Scopus or the PubMed. Very few. Even though it is a Scopus, they are most of them that is also PubMed indexed also 80% of the articles, right? So only 20% of the article you are missing out. And to again add that, you are going for the manual search, right? And
Yeah.
also, if you go and refer the ICMR document, in that they have already mentioned about some other library which are also free. You can include some of that libraries into your into your databases,
Okay, sir.
right? Or else you can collaborate,
Yeah.
right? That's how.
Right now, I have done in PubMed, then
I
done,
can't
sir.
hear you. Your voice is breaking. Maybe I don't know whether it is my net or your net. So it is not coming clearly. Let me switch off the video and see. Yeah, can you please come again?
Sir, right now I have done in PubMed, then
Okay.
MPage and Scopus.
Yeah, perfect. Makes sense.
Okay,
And then
okay.
you can say that manual search also you did. In manual search, go with this one hand searching for the Google Scholar, as well as you can say that Shodh Ganga also you did, right? That is the
Yeah.
reservoir. Very few you will be getting it. Just try once. You know, right? Shodh Ganga.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, it is a reservoir of all the yeah, like thesis work and all the not published one, right? That is the
Yeah.
reservoir of that. So you can say that you have gone through that also. So four or five, it is more than enough. It
Okay, sir.
accept all the journal accept it. If you published it, na, they will accept
Mm,
it.
okay.
Yeah, and one more thing, and try to complete your work by the end of this month, October. Okay, why I'm saying is that right now this is the October, November, December. This is the 3 month where most of the journal they come up with the this call for the papers. So as you know that most of the journals are open source, right? And for that they used to ask for the money, and it is like 2500 US dollar, 3000 or 4000 US dollar, right? So for that we need to depend on some other, either to the institution or some other person like that. So right now a lot of call for the proposal, sorry, call for the papers are coming. Usually it comes in this time. So in your field you can identify one. By the next week please do that too also. Okay, identify one of the journal where there must be open access, and it should be free of cost. Do this exercise too, and then based on that deadline try to complete your systematic review before that. Right now, because all the tools are there, so you can, if you've stuck anywhere, you can directly click the link, you can have a meeting with me, we can discuss and we can sort the things, right? So I have gave you all the tools to you, so that that will boost you and that will help you in complete the task within a defined frame of time. What you need to do, you need to just spend at least of 1 hour daily, even not at least 2 to 3 hours per week. If you devote your time now for your work, it will be getting done. And in last 1 month, we have drafted approximately 5 systematic review from the Utkarsh Research Network, and we have already communicated it. Right. So even you can also do that. So no problem. No problem. Right. So I'm telling you, because once your time is gone now, I won't be able to give you that much of time, because I have like devote my time to the two batch right now, because I believe in the quality work, right? You have seen whosoever has booked a call with me, I never cancelled it, because that all the time has been, because the first preference is given to all the participants, those who are there. And I usually keep my meeting usually at the late night, at the after 8, or in the early morning 10 to 12, like that. And I keep all the slots to all the participants. So that's what I'm saying, you please do the work, complete it. Wherever you feel it is stuck or it is taking a long time, do contact with me. We will be discussing. I will be working on your topic, no problem, and we will try to complete the task. That's what, because once you complete it, you will be feeling like, yeah, it is done. Because right now, if you say na systematic review in 1 month, nobody is going to believe. Nobody is going to believe. They will say, oh, what, it is going to be a fake one only. They will be telling like that. But do you really think it is difficult right now? Because I have already shared all my protocol, all my strategies to you all. Is it difficult? Sometime technical issue. No. Right. Exactly. There is no. Because right now we have our tools. So let's take the advantage of it and complete our task. So right now I'm going very slowly, and I'm not discussing much more. So please complete your task, and if you are facing any difficulty and all, you can connect with me. And anything else you want to share with me? No, nothing. Okay, that's it. So that's it for the today's session. Please work on your topic, and if you have any doubt, any clarification, book a calendar, call with me, we can discuss. Thank you and have a great day.